Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ndinai Ja. Hey. It's a good day. It is a great day. It is a very good day because it is time to update my power sheets. Ladies and the gentlemen that follow me, it has not been easy coming into my power sheets. Yeah, it's not been easy, and I'm not sure if the reason is because it's a whole separate book from my planner or something else. I feel though that it's maybe because it's a little removed from my planner. I'm having trouble coming into this. Recently, I have been keeping up with my Erin Condren Petite checklist notebook, and it has been working out really well. I have my morning routines and my evening routines, and because of just the sheer number of pages and the number of lines, I have a lot more that I could track here than here. So everything I've been wanting to track has been here. And oh, while we're on that subject, I'm also reconsidering getting another Powersheets for 2020. Ooh, cue the booze. No, I know there will be no booze, but just in case you're wondering, because this is my second year of using Powersheets. And while this is a great book, it is a really, really good workbook. And I've used it and done, nice discovery and all of that. I wonder though if this is something I want to keep for next year, especially as my goals seem to be narrowing and focusing more on just my finances. But anyway, right now, even though I don't feel like doing this, I'm going to do it anyway. Yeah, I'm just going to do it. That's it. It is what it is. It is what it is. I'm just going to do it anyway. I have this sparkly washi here. I do hope this is washi tape, but it is sparkly and orange. I feel like orange should be the color for August, sort of an orange and yellow to symbolize the half circle of hell that it feels like. No, I'm kidding. But it's really, really hot in Texas, right? Like super duper hot. It's like totally hot and very super hot. So I feel like everyone should understand that about us. Now, my goals have not really, really changed. They haven't really changed. I would say they have evolved, but they have not really changed. The only thing that has changed would be my the habits, which I am tracking in this book. Yeah, which I'm tracking in that book. So that's that. All this is going to be is put down some washi, and I think my encouraging word would have to be something about not going with a feeling. Yeah, something about not going with a feeling, because life is just not about feelings. You either do or you don't do, It's not, you don't do something just because you feel like it or you don't feel like it, because hey, newsflash, you're not going to feel like doing all the things that you need to. You certainly are not. You certainly are not. I think I'm going to just lose the one line here. Yeah. Yeah. You certainly are not going to feel like doing all the things you need to do at the time that you need to do them. But that is the messy middle part of forming a habit. You just do. That's it. You just do. Whoops, I heard a noise. Is that coming up? Maybe I'll use it on the other page. Oh, if I do this, then I'll have to put down a, whatchamacallit? What is it called? A wildcard page. I haven't put a wildcard page here in a while. Actually, have I ever put a wildcard page down? I don't believe I have. Anyhow, this is it, this is it, this is it. Nope, that's not going to work. Ah. Nope, that's not going to work either. This is what I wanted to do. And we will be complete. Straight down the middle. Oh, I almost feel like I should cover August. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. Snip, snip, snip. Snip, snip. Snip, snip. Yes. Okay. Decorating is not the major point of having power sheets or using power sheets, but it helps to add a fun little activity. Yes, it's a fun activity. My top priority this month is to, strangely enough, well, it's between two things. I need to finish an audiobook, The Total Money Makeover, and I need to get TJ into martial arts classes. So for me, the top priority for me would be the kid. So I'm just going to write that is the top priority for the month, and I have already began that process. Encouraging words. Encouraging words. Would it be don't fight the feeling? I don't have that. I typically don't have many encouraging words, but we'll see. It'll be something related to not doing something because you feel like it, but doing something because you need to. You're not going to feel like all the things you need to do. You just have to do them. You just have to do them. Cultivate what matters. I could use that. Anywho. Monthly action items that I need to take. I think let's start from my weeklies and my dailies. And I want to look back on the month of July. And I think I'm just going to put routines, because all the things that I typically track are not all here. Yeah, so I should say routines. Morning routine, yeah. Because we do have, or we will have a new morning routine and a new evening routine. So morning routine, evening routine, some form of exercise. I started the lunch challenge again. Some form of exercise, Vitamins and, let's see, going to bed at 10 o'clock. Well, that's part of the evening routine. Exercise, salads, and vitamins. Woohoo! I've actually abandoned my vitamins for a while. Okay. Previous months, I've been doing my work time sheets, asking myself to celebrate something, and to think before spending. Another thing that I need to get back into is my journal and journaling, or my journaling. Anyway, the first thing, though, that I do need to do is do my inventories. And I'll show you this, one of the books that I recently got from Erin Condren, the hardbound, it's not hardbound, but the hardcover notebook. I think they call it the deluxe notebook. I'm supposed to use that for inventorying, meal plan, and my shopping lists. I like how that's been working so far. But I just need to remind myself to track that I'm doing the inventories until I make this a habit. So I need to do my inventories every week. I should probably also choose a day and a time for this. And I would say Friday. Yeah, Fridays and Saturdays I need to do inventories. Yeah, Fridays and Saturdays. Because this will help in getting my meal plan together and my shopping list together, because if you don't know what you have, how will you know what to buy? You might repeat what you already have. Another thing that I need to do is, well, that's a monthly action item. I need to declutter 5 things this month from my closet. The next would be complete TJ's closet declutter. I've started that already and I've been working through it. It's been great. So, but I just need to finish it. School starts and nobody's going to have time for that. Well, you'll have time for what you consider to be important. So, that's that. Declutter 5 things from my closet. The next thing that I need to do, it will be finance related. I did that. Prep for tire purchase, I've done that. We need to do something with the birthday celebration. The kid is turning 5. Birthday celebration. Oh, there should be one more thing. Okay. That. No. I need to figure out some rest and relaxation ideas, but more family stuff, family time, family activities. Oh, no, that should be once a year. Family activities. And then this really should be rest. Something that I would do for myself that would be rest related and not be expensive, or not be something rest or activity related that is not associated with cost. Rest without cost. I like that. Rest without cost. Rest without cost, rest without a charge. I'm also going to write the journaling, because I do want to get back into it, start respilling the things from my mind. So this is it. This is the basic setup for the month. Like I said, I'm not really feeling it, so I'm keeping things light. I'm keeping things very light. The last thing I have to do is find me an encouraging word, but that's about it. The spread is done. Thanks you all for watching. Thank you very much for watching. So I have a question. How do you figure in your rest? Do you feel like you get burnt out or unmotivated at certain times of the year? How do you counter that? And B, how do you remotivate yourself when you do not feel like doing the things that either you initially set out to do or the things you have previously planned to do or set as habits? How do you recharge? How do you do that? That's all I have. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.